my god, guys, this is scary stuff. I'm in this store, and there's a helicopter overhead, and it's drawn to my flare, and they're circling me. Major Ghibli's in the call with me, if you wonder who that is.
Okay then.
Whatever, I ain't scared. Where am I?
So what, has it got a turret on the side of it, has it?
They're killing all the zombies that are coming in.
It's right for you.
Yeah, it must have. I'm scared, man. They're landing.
Steal it.
I think they've landed outside. They have.
That'd be a beast.
We're here to baby. What's that?
You're here to save me?
Back over you.
Sorry, okay. I didn't know. I thought you were gonna kill me.
Don't hurt him. It's okay.
Do you want to get bandaged up, dude? I've got a bandage.
I'm stuck. I'm like stuck on the ground.
They're saving me, Ghibli.
Really?
Yeah.
Are you recording?
Yeah.
Beast.
Hey guys, can I get some stuff? I haven't got much.
Yeah.
What are you gonna do to me?
Cow real quick. Hey, come on by the helicopter.
Can I come on the helicopter?
Oh, you guys like the friggin' A-team or something?
Yeah, they've rescued me because I put the flare down.
Lol. I'm doing every server I go into.
Guys, are we gonna hit the heli? Can I join?
Can I fly?
I can't hear. What did you say? Can I come in the helicopter? Oh my god. Yo dudes, I don't want any trouble, spare me! Is this for me?
Mate, they're bribing you, mate. They're bribing you, they're gonna troll you at some
Oh
point.
god, there's like a gang of them. I'm scared. Can I really have this stuff, or are you guys winding me up?
I don't even know these other guys. Yeah, take whatever you want.
You sound so innocent as well. Don't know me.
Oh dude, you guys just made a new best friend. This guy's giving me a ghillie suit. Wow, this is really nice of you guys. They've dropped loads of stuff for me.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. Night vision goggles.
I reckon they're gonna kill you, mate.
Are you guys just gonna kill me?
Mm.
No. Just trying to figure out how to put a flare down.
I'll put one down. I'm trying to pick up this backpack. I'm trying to pick up this backpack, but I can't for some reason.
A lot of times to pick up a backpack, you gotta loot all the items on top of it first. Sometimes stuff falls under the other things, so you might have to move some shit around.
I'll try my
I'll drop
best.
the backpack for you right here.
Could you put the backpack somewhere else? That'd be good.
Get in the helicopter. I'll give you some stuff.
Okay, dudes, I'm in the back. I'm riding in back. They're saving me, Ghibli. They're taking me
I don't
away.
believe it, mate. I think they're going to kill you.
Oh, well, if they are, so what? I was a dead man anyway. You guys just made a new best friend. This is going on YouTube, and everyone's going to sell a bunch of beasts to you up. The hell, they're like clearing out all the zombies before we leave. These guys are just nuts. Seriously, they are literally like the A-team. I was so scared when they dropped down. Like, honestly, this helicopter just lands in the car park. One comes in, I start shooting him. He didn't even shoot me back. I was like, what?
Hackers.
Yeah, there might gotta be hackers or something.
You don't get all that and then just not be afraid to lose it.
You can eject out of the heli, lol. I'm not gonna do that. So do you guys have a camp up north or something?
That's where they're taking you and lock you in, mate.
This guy's a legend. I'm just sitting next to this dude who's flying a helicopter around. We've got a guy in the back. A couple of them left. We're like the freaking A-team.
They're going to go in this camp up north.
I do feel like I'm being taken away to like some like prisoner camp.
Far away land.
Yeah, they're gonna lock me in like a chamber and just throw away the key. They're like getting the heli will give you stuff up north. It's like, cheers. Guys giving me like night vision goggles, ghillie suit, AKM, basically whatever I want. Where are we going, bros?
Can you get them to pick me up?
Yeah.
That's actually a good idea.
It's incredible.
I want to join. So I feel left out.
They're not answering me now. I'm kind of scared when they don't talk. That's when I start thinking evil things are like about to happen.
They're like in like freaking TeamSpeak or whatever it is, and like, yeah, let's get them.
Let me try and turn their volumes up. Man, I got. Hey guys, so where are we going? Are you guys a clan or something? It's kind of weird, I'm not gonna lie. It's kind of awesome and kind of scary all at once. You're not gonna take me to some concentration camp, are ya? Have your way with me. No.